Good morning, dear students. Today, in chapter Journal with GST, we will learn treatment of IGST. See, basically, there are two types of purchases and sale: intrastate purchase and sale, as well as interstate purchase and sale. If there will be any interstate transactions, then CGST and SGST will be combined and it will be converted into IGST. See, first transaction. Pass entries in the books of Mr. Gopal assuming CGST at 6% and SGST at 6%. Gopal purchased goods for rupees 1,50,000 from outside the state and made payment by check. So this time you can see this purchase is outside the state. So CGST and SGST will be merged into IGST. Okay, and tax will be 12%. So a very simple journal entry will come, that is purchases account debit input IGST account will be debited, and this is, you can see, cash purchases of goods, and we are paying amount by check. So to bank account, goods purchase and amount paid by check. Purchase price is 1,50,000. And as I told you, CGST and SGST will be merged into IGST. So tax rate will be 6% plus 6%, that is 12%. So on 1,50,000, 12% will be 18,000. So total amount will be paid to him 1,68,000. Okay. See one more transaction. Then he sold goods for rupees 1 lakh outside the state on credit. This is his credit sale of goods, but again you can see this is interstate transaction. So name of the party is not given, so that party will be treated as debtor. So debtor's account will be debited to sales account and to output IGST account, being goods sold. And this time again you can see selling price is 1 lakh rupees and 6% CGST and 6% SGST will be converted into IGST, that is 12%. So on 1 lakh rupees this amount will be 12,000. Total will be 1,12,000 rupees. Okay.